Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play One Love on the ukulele. We'll start by mastering the 4 essential chords: C, G, a minor, and F. These are fundamental for many songs and will form the backbone of our performance. Focus on clean finger placement and smooth transitions between each chord. Make sure your ukulele is tuned to standard G-C before you begin, ensuring a perfect sound. Next, let's tackle the iconic strumming pattern for One Love. It's a simple yet effective down-down-up-up-down-up rhythm. Practice this pattern slowly at first, ensuring each strum is clear and even. Maintaining a consistent tempo is key to capturing the song's relaxed feel. Remember to keep your wrist loose and relaxed for a natural, flowing sound, making your playing effortless. Now, let's put it all together by understanding the song's structure. One Love primarily follows a verse-chorus format, making it easy to learn. Practice each section individually, focusing on smooth chord changes and consistent strumming. Once comfortable, gradually increase your speed. Playing along with the original recording is an excellent way to refine your timing and feel for the music. To add your personal touch, try experimenting with slight strumming variations once you're comfortable with the basic pattern. You might also consider adding a simple fingerpicking pattern to the intro for a more intricate sound. The most important thing is to have fun and enjoy the process of making music. Share your progress with friends and family, and keep playing this wonderful, timeless classic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.